to it. Take me out the way. I want you to stay.
Hey guys,
Hello, and today we're going to be mixing some slime.
so let's get to it. So first you're going to roll it into a cylinder, and then you're going to twist it. Okay? Now you twist it. Twist, 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 and twist, and just twist it around there. Then you're going to fold it.
Pretty.
And you're going to twist it a little more. And we mixed it. And this is the finished product.